Hi, everybody. We're going to do subtraction today. Do you remember, subtraction is when we take away, okay? So the first one that we're going to do are these butterflies. Let's count how many butterflies there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to letter C on your paper where the butterflies are and write a number 10 there on that very first line. You got your 10 there? Remember, they can't kiss. They have to be on the lines. Okay. Now we're going to look and see how many of those butterflies have X's on them. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them have X's on them. So that is how many we're going to take away. We're crossing them out, okay? So let's write a 6. 10, take away 6. All right. Now you have to see how many don't have X's on them. Count all the butterflies that don't have X's on them and write your number down. Okay, let's see if you got it. Did you get 10 take away 6 equals 4? All right, if you didn't, fix it. If you did, good job, okay? Next one, we're going to do letter J. It's the raindrops. Let's count. First, we have to count how many raindrops there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them all together. So we have to write a 10 on that first line. Got it? Okay. Now we count how many have X's on them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them have X's on them. 10, take away 4. Now, how many don't have X's on them? Count all of the ones that don't have X's. All right, let's see if you have what I have. Have you got 10 take away 4 equals 6? If you do, good job. That's exactly what you should have. All right, next one. Letter G, the clouds. How many clouds are there all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to write a 3 on the G. How many have X's on them? Write that number. And how many are left that don't have X's on them? Write that number. All right, let's see if you have what I have. I have 3 take away 2 equals 1. Is that what you have? Give yourself a star if that's what you have. Okay. Ooh, letter B. How many umbrellas are on letter B? Count all of them. Then count how many umbrellas have X's on them. And write that, because those are the ones that you are taking away. Then you count how many are left. They don't have X's on them. And that is your equals. Okay. See if you have what I have. I have 5, because that's how many umbrellas there were all together. Take away 2, the 2 that had X's on them, equals 3. 3 of them were left that didn't have X's on them. Good job. Next one is worms. That is F. Look at how many worms there are all together. How many worms have X's on them? How many are left that don't have X's on them? Okay, I'm ready to show you mine. Do you have 4 take away 2 equals 2? If you do, you did it right. Okay. Next one is rain hats in letter A. See the rain hats? Count how many there are. All together, you have to count all of them. Write that number down. That's what you start with. Then you're going to take away how many? How many have X's on them? You're going to take them away. And the last number is how many are left. They don't have any X's on them. That's how many are left. Let's see if you have what I have. Let's go this way, right? Okay, there we go. 8, that's how many total there were. 8. Take away 3 equals 5. Did you get that? Give yourself a star. Okay, next one. L has the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers on L. Take away just that one. That's the only one that has an X on it. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is what is left without X's. There it is. 6 take away 1 equals 5. Ooh, next one has kites on it. It's letter D. Let's count the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kites all together in letter D. How many have X's on them? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. That's the ones we're going to take away. That leaves 1, 2 without any X's on it. Six take away 4 equals 2. That is our whole subtraction sentence. Okay. Next one. Oh, these are some caterpillars. In letter I, how many caterpillars altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caterpillars altogether in letter I. How many have X's on them? 1, 2, 3 have X's on them. So those are the ones that you're going to take away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them do not have X's on them, and they are left. Let's see if you got what I got. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Okay. Next one, letter E. We have flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers, and that's an E. How many of those flowers have X's on them? Count them and write that number. How many flowers are left without X's on them? Count that and put that on your paper. All right, let's look at letter E. See what you got. Do you have 9 take away 5 equals 4? All right, going to the next one. Letter K is next. Raincoats. Count how many raincoats are there. Write that number down. Count how many of those raincoats have X's on them. Write that number down. Then count how many raincoats are left that don't have X's on them, and write that number. All right, we're ready to look at the paper. I have 4 take away 3 equals 1. Are you getting all stars on this? I can't wait to see it. Letter H is the last one. It is rain boots. Count how many rain boots there are. And then write that number down. Then count how many rain boots have X's on them. Those are the ones we're going to take away, and write that number down. Now, how many rain boots are left at the top without X's on them? Write that number. Very good. Let's see if you have the same thing for letter H as I have. I have 8 take away 5 equals 3. Is that what you have? Count all your stars and see how you did. Did you get 12 stars? If you did, you can put a 12 at the top of your paper. Maybe you got one wrong. Then you would have 11 stars. Maybe you got 2 wrong. Then you would have 10 stars. You count how many stars you got and put it at the top of your paper, okay? You can color if there's still time, but I don't think there will be much time. See you later.